Most people think freedom means doing whatever they feel like. But what if that's not freedom? What if that's the opposite? 3 powerful Stoic ideas explain why mastering yourself is the only way to become truly free. The first trap is this: living based on how you feel. If your mood decides your actions, you are not in control. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Every time you say, "I don't feel like it," you give your control away. And slowly, your habits start controlling your life. But awareness is where change begins. The second step is understanding your mind. Your mind will always choose comfort over growth. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." You can't control everything, but you can control your response. And that control changes everything. And once you understand this, discipline becomes possible. The final step is action. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Most of your resistance is in your head. And when you act despite that resistance, you become stronger. Self-control is not restriction, it is power. When you control your habits, you control your life, and that is real freedom. What is one habit you need to control right now?